Hello my dear friends, have a nice day. Today we discuss about inborn errors of nucleic acid metabolism with reference to purine nucleotide biosynthesis. So this inborn errors of metabolism is defined as an error of purine or pyrimidine metabolism or a class of inborn error of metabolic disorder specifically affecting purine metabolism or pyrimidine metabolism. These inborn errors of metabolism due to mutation in a gene that encoding some of the enzyme that involved in the conversion of a substrate into a product in the purine or pyrimidine biosynthesis. In most of this disorder, the problem caused due to accumulation of substances which are toxic or poisonous, or maybe that products or a substance interfere with the normal physiological function of our system, or it may affect the reduced ability to synthesize essential component, that means the biosynthesis, other metabolic processes. That inborn errors of metabolism are now often referred to as congenital metabolic disorder or inherited metabolic disorders. The disorders of purine metabolism, the enzyme defect can affect de novo synthesis of purine, salvage of purine, catabolism of purines. In our syllabus, we have Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, is also known as Nyhan syndrome, Kelly-Segmiller syndrome, or juvenile gout. It's a rare inherited disorder caused by a deficiency of purine nucleotide salvage pathway enzyme, namely hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase, produced by mutation in the HPRT gene located in the X chromosome. So it causes overproduction of urea called hyperuricemia, uric acid. It characterized by frequent episodes of uric acid lithiasis, means Bizarre syndrome. It also causes low level secretion of a dopamine, which leads to many issues associated with the disorders of neurological functions. Our cell needs this enzyme to recycle purine. Without this enzyme, abnormally high level of uric acid synthesis happen in our body. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome affects about 1 in 3,80,000 live births. The disorder was first recognized, clinically characterized by medical student Michael Lesch in 1964. That's why it's named as Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. So here, this is the pathway where hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase play important role to recycle hypoxanthine to inosine monophosphate and guanine to guanine monophosphate. Is the role of hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl with the presence of phosphoribosyl phosphate. So this is a salvage for purine nucleotide where recycle of products nucleic acid breakdown is happened. This salvage pathway occurred primarily in the extrahepatic tissue, whereas de novo pathway occurs in the primarily in the liver. It forms a free basis of adenine guanine. That enzyme which is involved here, hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. Salvage pathway account for 90% of daily purine nucleotide biosynthesis. Most of purine bases are recycled rather than degraded by this enzyme. So salvage pathway requires less energy than de novo pathway for purine biosynthesis. Is the metabolic pathway where this the hypoxanthine phosphoribosyl transferase play important role to recycle the guanine to guanine monophosphate and hypoxanthine to inosine monophosphate. So it continuously synthesizes the solvate synthesis of guanosine and inosine. If this enzyme defect, it continuously synthesizes uric acid to xanthine and uric acid. So the accumulation of uric acid in the body leads to Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. We're going to see what are the symptoms that involve. This condition is inherited genetic defect of X-linked recessive pattern. The gene is associated with this condition is located in the X chromosome. So mostly males are affected, females are carrier, because in male we have X and Y chromosome, one X and Y chromosome. In female they have two X chromosome. So if they are affected, no issues, their one more X is having normal, but male having only one X. So if they are affected, they transfer to next generation through their carrier of their daughter and always affected son, which is one of the two sex chromosome. In male who have only one chromosome, one altered copy of gene in which cell sufficient to cause this condition. That means one X is sufficient to cause this defect. In female who have two X chromosome, a mutation would have to occur in both copies of gene to cause the disorder, but it's a very rare condition, because it's unlikely that female will have two altered copies of gene, that X chromosome. Male are affected by X-linked recessive disorder much more frequently than female, because male having only one X. A characteristic of X-linked inheritance in that father cannot pass X-linked trait to their son. That means a female, a mother or a daughter is always to carry to their son. Symptoms: neurological dysfunction. As we discussed previously, this uric acid increased level or HBRT gene defect leads to low level synthesis of dopamine, which affect the cognitive behavior disturbances, self-mutilation. Uric acid overproduction is occurs, that's called as hyperuricemia, macrocytic anemia, damage in the basal ganglia in the brain causes suffers to adopt characteristic fencing stance. Males suffered delayed growth and puberty. Severe neurological abnormalities occurs in Lesch-Nyhan syndrome, mental retardation, septic paralysis, aggressive and self-destructive behavior. Male develop shrunken testes and testicular atrophy. Female carriers are at increased risk for gouty arthritis but are usually otherwise unaffected. Kidney and bladder stone develop because of high level of uric acid in the level. Abnormal involuntary muscle involvement such as clutching, jerking and falling are often displayed by people affected by disorder. People with Lesch-Nyhan syndrome usually cannot walk. It requires assistance to sitting and are generally wheelchair bound. This Lesch-Nyhan syndrome patient, they made self-injury including biting and head banging is the most common and distinctive behavior problem in those who Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Self-destructive biting of fingers and lips. Diagnosis. So urinary ureate to creatine ratio greater than 2.0 indicating uric acid overproduction. Hyperuricemia is a characteristic for children younger than age 10 years who have Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Serum uric acid concentration more than 8 mg per dl is sensitive or specific enough for diagnosis. Hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyltransferase transferase enzyme activity less than 1.5% of normal in cell from any tissue, blood, culture, fibroblast, lymphoblast is a diagnostic tool. Prevention, only prevention is genetic counseling. Both parents, male and female, have to sit to the doctor to have genetic counseling to process, providing individual and families with information on the nature of the disease, inheritance of disease, implication of genetic disorder to help them to make informed medical and personal decision. Treatment. These individual needs around the clock to care due to their mental and physical disabilities. No specific treatment exists for Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. The gout medication, that means allopurinol, has successfully decreased the uric acid level but does not improve the neurological outcome. Some symptoms may be relieved with the drugs of carbidopa, levodopa, diazepam, phenobarbital and haloperidol. Thank you, my dear friends.